Washington Snipe here, representative of Poisonapplehair setting spray and all the products and stuff. How are you? So today I'm going to be showing you how to do some lovely finger waves. Do you know what they are? It's where all of the ladies a couple of years ago in the 1920s used to have all the waves in their hair, you know, look quite magical. And I'm going to show you how to do that today, you know, with a wet set. What you need to obviously have your hair wet. Some poison apple setting spray. Is I've parted her on the side there. Just because we wanted the hair to go back, and then forward, and back again, and forward again. Sort of like me coming back from the pub, back and forward, and back and forward. There we go. Spray her a little bit. Oh, lovely. Now, you're going to want a few things when you're doing your finger waves. I've got these little crocodile clips here. See, look how long they are. And then I've also got some alligator clips, or maybe a frog with teeth. And this sort of holds the crest of the finger wave. Okay, so let's get started. Like this, with nice big teeth. We're just going to do the front, but it's very important that you make sure the hair is nice and slick and smooth. What we're going to do, we're going to make a little parting just on the top of the head, right down to like the center of the ear. There we go. Like that. And you can comb the rest of all of this back. To get us started, we've got a parting there, and another parting there, and this part here is what we're going to be working with. So, let's comb the hair back like this. And we want to create like a C-section, like that. Not like when you're trying to give birth, but like a C in the shape of the number letter. Very important, this finger here, the middle finger, there. Turn that around, like that. So you have this little C-section there. And it's very easy from here. Don't be scared, just go for it. So, you want to put your finger there, and then get the teeth of the comb, make sure you're holding everything down, put the comb into the hair, drag it forward, like that, to make a bump. Ha! This is called the crest. And keep that finger there, and then this finger here, like that. Then, comb it down. If I let go, like that. Can you see that little wave in there? Isn't that lovely? There we go. I might just pop a clip in there. So I'll get the frog with teeth. That can go there. This one can go here. And if you haven't gotten all of the section, you can simply edit in like this. And then hold it nice and tight and then comb down. Now we're left with the rest of it. And we've got this hair going straight. We don't want straight hair because straight hair is ugly. Just comb this around like that. And in the same fashion, put your finger there. And then push back. Like that. And then quickly put your other finger there. So you can hold it like a snaky crocodile. And then comb that down. See, and then there's your second wave. I think we call that a trough. Ha! Get for another clip and pop that in there. Yep. Then like that. We might just do one more. So, round again in the C-section. Like this. Get your comb and the teeth up, like that. And then down. There, I'll pop a little clip in there. Another little frog snaky one. Ha ha, there we are. Now, see, look at that. You've got the finger waves in the front, so you've got your troughs and the crests, and they all go down like that. Isn't that nice? And in the next tutorial, we're going to show you how to do the pin curl clips, so which is what you make with your fingers when you don't have any rollers. Yes, it's very handy indeed. Now, my name is Bernard Dashington Snyder, and be sure to subscribe to my Telegram.